Alright guys, as you can see, these two plates are stuck together. The back plate is stuck with the front plate and you cannot be able to take this thing out, and there is only one way you can be able to get this thing out, and I'm gonna show that to you right now. So what you gotta do is you got to take two spoons. You gotta take 2 spoons, put 1 spoon on this side and the other spoon on this side, and then ask your friend to pull this thing that way, and this way you can be able to take this thing out. So you gotta, depends how physically strong you are. If you are very strong, then you have to just pull it with a medium force, or if you are not too strong, then you have to really pull it up with the spoon. So I'll show you again. As you can see this gap, so you're gonna put this spoon like this in here, okay, and then another spoon like this here, and then I'm gonna pull it, and my friend Zainab is gonna pull it towards her side. All right, so I'm gonna, and it's done. As you can see guys, it came out. It came out. Wow, this is amazing. So the back plate has come out from the front plate, and this is the way you're gonna take this plate out. So all you need, I can show you again, all you need is 1 spoon on this side and the other spoon on the other side, and pull it up, and then ask your friend to pull it towards his or her side, and then as soon as, so you just need a medium force. I do not really had to really force it to upwards. I just used a medium force and I pull it upwards a little bit, and then my friend pulled this towards her side and it came out. Okay, otherwise if you cannot do this, this vacuum cleaner has got a 2 years warranty and they will send you a new part. Alright, so this is it for today. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I hope you really like this video and it's gonna be really helpful for you to get this thing out. So I will see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye.